5 seconds to go. Start. After orders of the tribunal, forest authorities attempted to take possession of the land. In the meanwhile, the state also issued notification number 4713 of 1977 notifying 100 hectares of the respondent estate as private forest based on survey undertaken by the Forest Department. Popular Estates filed two appeals impugning the tribunal's orders before the High Court. These were dismissed. The special leave petition against those orders too were dismissed. Popular Estates then filed civil suits claiming that the state be permanently injuncted from taking possession. Initially, the civil court refused to register the plaint on grounds of maintainability. Later, the suits were entertained on the intervention of the High Court in civil revision. On 22nd July 1987, the custodian and conservator of vested forests issued a notification Exhibit A27 under Section 6 of the Act demarcating 324 hectares of land belonging to popular plantation as vested forests under the Act. This notification was challenged in the writ proceedings. Popular Plantation also withdrew the two suits. Their writ petitions were dismissed on the ground that the respondents had alternate remedy available before the tribunal. In these circumstances, Popular Estates filed applications before the tribunal under Section 8 of the Vesting Act challenging the notification dated 22nd July 1987 and seeking a declaration that the property covered by the applications was not private forest and had not vested in the state government. Simultaneously, they also filed a writ appeal against the order dismissing their writ petition. The writ appeal was admitted subject to the condition that Popular Plantation withdraw its original applications pending before the tribunal, and upon complying with the same, they approached the tribunal as directed by filing original applications in 1990 challenging the state's jurisdiction to issue the notification after a long lapse of time. Popular Plantation also filed an appeal before this court, which was disposed of. This court observed that Popular Plantation had the liberty of appearing and pursuing their application before the tribunal, confining the challenge to the validity of the notification on the grounds set out in the writ petition filed in the High Court. In the event the tribunal held it had no jurisdiction, liberty was given to file an appeal and or a writ petition before the High Court to challenge the notification, but only on the said grounds. Popular Estates amended its original applications pending before the tribunal OA numbers 166 and 167 of 1990 and also filed a writ petition before the High Court challenging the validity of the notification dated 22nd July 1987. The tribunal dismissed the two original applications, holding that in its earlier order it had only dealt with the status of 100 hectares of the land, and therefore with regard to rest of the land the state was empowered to issue a fresh notification. Stop.